Let's make adobong manok sa gata. Siyempre, perfect with hot steamed rice. Oh, hi! Try niyo na, sarap. Ayan, oh. Let's begin. So, pan-fry niyo lang ang chicken cuts until sides are brown. I pan-fried about 2 pounds or 1 kilo na leg quarters. Using the same wok and oil, add 1 head chopped garlic and saute until fragrant. Followed by 1 teaspoon na crushed peppercorns. Then ibalik nyo sa pan ang niluto ng chicken kanina. Stir nyo lang na mabuti and cook for about 3 minutes. Then add 3 to 5 pieces bay leaves. Sa isang bowl, pagsamahin ng soy sauce and vinegar. So ang ginamit ko sa soy sauce ay kikkoman and 5% acidity na distilled white vinegar sa vinegar. Ayusin lang ang chicken pero huwag haluin. Simmer for about 5 minutes. Baligtarin nyo lang, then simmer for another 5 minutes. Tapos, add nyo na ang 1 cup na coconut milk. Pwede nyo rin ilagay ang isang buong can to 13.5 ounces or 400 ml if you like. Followed by 2 tablespoons na brown sugar. Haluin, then simmer for another 30 to 45 minutes. Make sure na stir natin occasionally para hindi masunog ang ilalim or hindi manikit. Pakuluin pa natin para mas maluot pa ang lasa. Sauce will be reduced and thickens. Now it's ready! Ay, ang sarap! Ihanda na ang kanin. At ang bango. Try nyo na and let me know in the comments. More recipes at PinoyCookingRecipes.com. Thanks for watching!